So, since I talked about in the general thing, I thought I was gonna do a small video about it. Um, so yeah, I'm working for the Spade-A-Thon right now. I'm actually putting a lot of hours in it. And I'm happy doing it. And yeah, I don't think I'm just gonna put that into commentary because I don't need that actually to show what I worked on. Basically a lot of things, but yeah. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, I didn't start the server, I think. So let's actually start the server. There we go. Here we are. NodeCG server is started. Nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. So I actually need two because there is a very weird thing. I'll talk about it later. But now it's not really the time. So we're gonna do that. We end up on the dashboard. As you can see, we have already that stuff. So that thing works now. I just won't show. Well, actually, I could show it, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show it anyway. Show the actual work I did. So I'm also running Polymer, if people are wondering what I'm doing. So here I have only one so far. I did some design already, but yeah, they're just some testing. So there we go. So here, for example, that would be the name of the runners, by the way. So we go back into the dashboard, and we have the timer, the timer control. So that timer is basically the same timer as that one, but that one has design, where this one doesn't have, besides the font, obviously. So those buttons doesn't work yet. I will be working on it. But for example, let's say we have a 4-way race, and you want to change the name of all the races. Let's say it's I don't know, a low person race of Spectre because I had the names, so I just remember them on top of my head. Let's say that, and I don't know, engage, for example, and you submit that, and it will replicate on the layout. Let's say that's the layout. Okay, so that's the dashboard, that's the layout. It will replicate, and the timer, for example, for now has a start. So as you can see, here started, and it's replicating there with the nice thing. So for example, I don't know. Let's just put that back into there, here, and here. So that way we can do that. We can F5 that. See, it continues. If you, the only problem I have with the dashboard is that I'm not doing that server side, because server side may have issues with doing the timing. So when you restart that, technically I should be putting a pause. You know, see, and unpause, and it should start again. There you go. I need to fix that, but you know, that's fine. But yeah, and then you can stop. And when what I want to do is when you click those buttons, it will say, oh, time for that player, time for that player, time for that player, time for that player, you know. And basically, yeah, you can start, you can pause, you can unpause, you can stop, you can start, pause, and then stop, and it will put back everything in place. So far that's what we have. And what I can do, so let's cut that, let's put this like that, let's copy the URL again, and I will be putting it and what I will have to do with any layout, that's going to be super simple, so that should be browser source, by the way. So you add a new browser source, you put that's not the right size, but technically it should be something like that, and you have to remove this margin auto. That's actually something that breaks the design most of the time, which is kind of annoying. But hey, and you okay, and then, oh, the timer is there. Look at that. The timer is there. So that's actually no BS now. So let's start the timer from here. Yeah, oh, it's working. So yeah, so far that's what I have. I think I'll be finished for the I've set the date for the 21st of April. So I think I should be done by then. I think, hopefully. I only have 4 layouts to make, so that should be fairly fast. And as you can see, you can pause. It's stopping the... So here... Yeah, you don't see it because my... But yeah, here's the timer. It's paused. I can unpause it. It will restart. You can stop it. And so forth and so forth. You can't pause when you stop, so if you click it does nothing. But hey, once you start, you can pause and unpause. There you go. So it might have been a long video, I don't know, so for such a simple thing. But anyway, it's just to show where I am, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. It's for Spade-A-Thon and the marathon, the Shovel community marathon, basically speedrun marathon, the speedrun community marathon of the Shovel speedrunning community of marathon. There we go. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you next time.